Iorana, Nāhea ia parau root na roto i te reo Tahiti. How do you say root in Tahitian? AʻA, that is correct. AʻA. Now, how do you write AʻA the correct way? Let's look at these words. Let's look at the first one. If I have to pronounce this, it won't sound like AʻA. It will sound like ah. So that's not the right way to write this. AʻA. All right. AʻA, it's actually a name of a lorikeet from the Raʻiātea island. So that's not the right way to write AʻA. Let's look at the second one. AʻA. AʻA. So AʻA means mischievous. So that's not the right way to write AʻA. Let's look at the last one. AʻA. AʻA. Correct. That is the right way to write AʻA. So if you want to learn more about Tahitian writing according to the Wharewana, follow me for more.